this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the Cascade Golf Course in Cascade at 102 Par Drive. And this is the router. So if you're having any Wi-Fi issues, what you might need to do is reset the Wi-Fi, and that would be unplugging right here. Unplug it, and then search for the Wi-Fi. Should be Cascade 102. And then the password is going to be 102 Cascade. Now, just in case that you do not see that, on the back are the details. And what you're going to be looking for is something that's going to be Frontier 9551. And then what you will need to do is go ahead and put in the password. The password should be the MNB4K37TXGY and then blah, 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 blah. That should get you back into the default router setting just in case it had been reset. And every once in a while, that actually will happen with these routers. So if you have any problems with the Wi-Fi and gaining any kind of access to the internet, my recommendation is go ahead and reset that. And then for some reason, if there was a hard reset and the system reset itself back to the default, then you will be looking for that Frontier password. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to our office. And that phone number is the 208-634-0030. Thank you.